All right, we're working on a 2004 BMW 325i convertible, and the issue is the latch assembly is not catching and locking down. So I ordered these side pieces, which are usually supposed to be bad, installed them. That wasn't the issue. And so what it ended up doing was pulling the motor down. And inside here, there's a gear system, which is plastic, which is right here. And as you can see, it's cracked. It's bad. A crack right there. So you could manually do this with an Allen key, which is a pain in the ass, or replace this, which is what we're going to have to do. If we can get brass, we're going to try and get brass. And then once that's ordered and delivered, put it back together. But if you're having an issue and it ends up not being the latching system, but the motor still works, you got to take off a plastic cover piece, and there's a plastic gearing system in there, and they're bad. Like I said, the rest of it's all back together, but without that plastic correct gear in there, or bronze gear, it's absolutely not going to work. All right, hopefully that helps somebody out.